Stay at the back of the room away from the door. And of course, hands where I can see them. I'm not gonna repeat myself. The new ones are always easy to trick. Hey there, I'm Six, your neighbor. I suppose I can say, hello neighbor. Wow, your room is so much cooler than mine. You've got a table and a plant and even some shelves. Want to switch rooms? Oh, I'm sorry, you're probably very confused. Not that I can help with that, but what I can do is help you become more familiar with the place. We can discuss who gets which room later. I see you got your keycard already. You're gonna have plenty of those. Which means you'll be needing something to help you keep track of them. Here, take it, it's yours. These keycards will allow you to activate these card scanners, which do all sorts of things. Eyes on the colors of the scanners because they are color-coded. We shouldn't stay here too long or they'll think something's wrong. Let's head to the other room where everyone else is. Love your keychain, by the way. You give it a try. Ain't this the life? Just play, hibernate, and repeat. But most importantly, do everything you're told. This place is very cool, but there's someone I want you to meet first. Hey Seven, the new guy's here.
Not now. I'm busy.
You don't even care to look at him?
That's the guy? As if one of you wasn't enough.
I volunteered to show him around, and even taught him how to use the card scanners. Exactly what a good leader does.
Leader? Uh-huh.
Yes, leader. I told you a million times, everyone looks up to me, and I'm the leader of the group.
Whatever. Listen, new guy. I only speak with those that are exceptionally smart and are as interested in knowledge as I am. You don't look like you even know what your case number is.
Don't take what she said too much to heart. She'll come to like you as much as she secretly does me. But it looks like your reputation is not as grandiose as you'd hoped. How about you take a look around the place and maybe make some friends while you're at it? Come find me when you're done exploring.
That guy over there wants to claim the treasure for themselves. Over my dead slimy body.
That idiot over there wants my treasure! I found it first! It's mine!
Hey, up here! If I jump, will you catch me? I've been stuck up here for hours! Here I come!
Hold on. Why didn't you ask me for help?
Because I know you're still angry about the prank I pulled on you the other day.
What? No. I had already forgotten about that. Just jump and I'll catch you. Promise.
Okay, if you promise. Whoa!
Minus 1 million all. Never prank the prankster.
Ow! That really hurt. Thank you. You just earned a friend.
Come on, you've got to help me. Seven said something about her not liking dumb people before she placed me in here, and I've been too scared to see what would happen if I left since. Help me solve this, and we can split whatever's in these boxes by half. From what I could figure out, you're supposed to place the sphere in a certain order. An order that would allow the slider to go through them, from smallest to largest. What? There's more? Oh, scratch what I said about splitting everything in half. Just take it all. Just help me solve this. At least now I have physical proof that I passed this madness. Thank you.
¡Ey, tú! Miré que ayudaste al tipo en el iglú. Yo también necesito tu ayuda. Ven conmigo y haré que valga la pena. me han dado la tarea de resolver esta extraña pantalla. Dijeron que si lo resolvía, me darían un premio. Pero nunca me molesté en intentarlo. No se dieron cuenta que no tengo manos para tocar la pantalla. Ayúdame a resolverlo y podrás quedarte con esas ruedas de allá. Es lo único que pude quedarme cuando robaron mi cuarto. ¡Genial! He esperado demasiado por este momento. ¿Qué? ¿Una guitarra necesita manos para tocarse? ¿Me colocaron en el cuarto equivocado?
That guy over there wants to claim the treasure for themselves. Over my dead slimy body. I have sailed the 7 seas for this treasure.
And still, you're not getting any of it.
Mine! Are you okay? Hello? What have I done? Greed will be the end of all of us. The treasure is all yours, new guy. I don't want any of it.
Oh, so you do love knowledge as much as I do. Very few score an A+ on my tests. Great job. Oh, is that for me? I love it. Thank you.
You're friends with everyone already? How come?
Everyone that passes my tests with an A+ and gives me great gifts is a friend of mine.
But I gave you flowers that one time.
Those were mushrooms. Plastic mushrooms.
It's the thought that counts. You know what? How about this? If you're so good at making friends, let's play hide and seek and see if you're just as good at finding them. No one ever finds me in hide and seek. Everybody gather around, I have an important announcement to make. As you might have noticed, we have a new face around here, and you know the tradition. In honor of them, let's play hide and seek, and they're it. Wait, we're missing somebody. Where's your friend?
Greed is the thief of contentment, and chasing gold, we lose our shine. Greed has taken them.
What? Alright, when you see them next, tell them they missed out on the group's hide and seek session. Well, new guy, I don't make the rules. Actually, I do. But you're it. Go count down from 10 in the counting corner.
No peeking!
Nunca había durado tanto sin ser encontrado.
You're cheating.
I'm terrible, even at this game.
You got me!
You peaked!
I was found last. Of course, I'm that good at the game. It seems we all suck at hide and seek. I really thought no one would find me where I hid. Who wants to be the seeker next?
I volunteer. It's the first step of atonement.
Consider yourself fully forgiven if you manage to find the new guy first. Come with me, new guy. I have the best hiding spot to show you. These Javanian blobs are dumb as rocks. No pun intended. If they find your hiding spot and you tell them that you're just a piece of stone, they'll believe it and leave you be. Wait, what's that? Oh no. I'll talk to him. Stay here. Begone, you monster. What are you doing here?
The results are out. You're being replaced. We have to do something, and I might just know what exactly. I'll come by later and tell you everything. We won't get another chance, so it must be done tonight, or else they'll notice what I've altered. I've also nabbed that doctor's samples as promised. I am certain they'll drive away your issues. You'll be a new you. You can control it. I know you can. We can't be seen talking for much longer. You have to go now.
It's safe to come out now. We need to check on Seven. She must be terrified.
When will this end?
I've managed to scare him away this time, as I'm sure you saw. And as long as I'm around, I always will.
How many more of us will he snatch and take away? It's only a matter of time before it's my turn.
I'll make sure that never happens. You've seen enough for one day, not to mention it's hibernation time anyway. Head to your room and I'll come check on you when I can. Boo! Did I scare you? I'm practicing so that I'm actually scary when I need to be. You know, I felt bad about what happened earlier today. This is not the kind of first day I'd ever want to have. And to make up for it, I've got a surprise for you. It's a bit of a walk from here, but it'll be worth it. Trust me. Darn, I must have dropped my red keycard on my way here. I can't open the door without it. Could you help me look for it? What was that? Truffle tube. What are you doing here at this hour? You need to go back to your room. Actually, maybe you don't. New guy, this is Truffle tube. One of the few cases that I can truly consider a friend. The best part about him is that he can... Actually, I won't spoil it. But what I will say is that both of us having only one flashlight should no longer be a problem. Give it a try. He loves being held. What? It's stuck? We're running out of time here. Why is everything becoming a hurdle now? Wait, give me a second. I know who to call. Now we wait. Finally. Thank you, my best friend. I've got the new guy here with me. You can give your greetings when you reach the surprise. For now, we've got to keep moving. It's dark in here. Can you find the lights? thought he said it was all ready to open. The surprise is right behind this door, but it seems we need more bodies to get it open. There's you, me, and 8. Truffletooth's weight probably isn't enough to push the plates down enough. That means we need 2 more bodies alongside us, and I'm all out of friends I know who'd be out at this time of the night. Let's keep looking around, I guess.
Help me! They left me here tied to the bed, and with all these earthquakes, something broke. The tranquilizing gas is leaking. You need to get out of here. Find a yellow key card and activate whatever's necessary to get me untied. Jesters smell funny when they're dead. We don't want that now, do we? Okay, that wasn't it. Now you're stuck in here with me. Looks like we've got to stop the circulation manually first. I've seen them set it up. You can do that through the monitors. The last monitor is the one responsible for the tranquilizing gas in the room. If we can somehow overwhelm it, it might just turn itself off. It has to, otherwise we'd be done for. You need to listen to me very carefully, okay? See that movable panel on the left? That's used to send electric shots at a target. You're going to use it to turn the monitors on one by one. Start with the one nearest to the door. That's the core power unit. You can transfer electricity through these monitors, but some of them are faulty, so make sure to only charge the ones that aren't dead. Make sure a monitor is only charged when the frequencies of both the panel and the monitor match. Any mistake can make the entire room go kaboom. Got it? Okay, looks like the circulation is off, but residue of the gas is still in the room. We're still not safe. Find a way to untie me. Phew, that was a close one. That gas was more deadly than my jokes. Thank you for saving me. I owe you. I'm 17, a jester here to fulfill your day with my jokes. I've never seen you around before. You must be new. Darn! I almost forgot about the gas. Let's get out of here and we'll talk more outside. Something tells me this new friendship will bring nothing but laughs so intense you will feel them pierce your chest. Hello, 6.
What happened to you, 17?
I was left for dead. Or until tomorrow. But your friend here saved the day. It's nice to see you again, 8. And you, Truffle Toot.
You said he helped you? Well, we also need your help with something.
Of course! Anything after what was done for me.
But we'd still need one more body. What was that?
Whoa! Hey, girl. What are you doing out here all by yourself? Are you lost?
And that makes us complete. 17, you saw that room with the big door? Let's all rendezvous there.
Wait! Want to hear a joke first?
Save it for later. For now, we gotta go.
Kitty and I are right behind you. Does 6 know what's behind this door? I don't, but I've heard the sounds. Something tells me it's nothing pretty. Like I said, I owe you, and I'll go through with it if you want me to. But just thought I'd let you know how I feel about all of this.
Alright, let's spread, and each of us pick a plate to stand on. New guy, the surprise is for you, remember? You stand in the one in the middle. I can't promise it'll be a room full of Pancreas's level of awesomeness, but I'm sure you'll love it. get back here now. Uh-oh. Whoa! What happened? Where are we? What are all these tunnels? That's not good. This isn't how it was supposed to go. Everything I planned just gets ruined. We have to get back up there somehow. You need a light source. It's pitch black in all directions. Truffletooth never disappoints. Don't worry, he'll live. I know this mushroom better than anyone else. There's no time not to split up. You go in one direction and I'll go the other. Then we meet back here and see what we can do next. And if for whatever reason we don't, take care of Truffletooth. Maybe they're right about me. Or maybe they're not. Do you happen to be in the mood for another round of hide and seek? 17 is the seeker. Come with me. I'll show you the second best hiding spot I know of. This is it. Best not to dwell on the past and only focus on the future. After what happened today, I don't think there'll be anybody out here looking for you, making this truly one of the best hiding spots. When the game's over, I'll come find you. For now, don't make a peep.
else must be happening in my mind. I've never seen a stranger sight in all my life. How can I survive? Should I run or should I try to hide? And still a million other questions fill my mind. Amnesia, numbing memories like anesthesia. Other common side effects include: who are you? Who am I? Who are these other guys? Amnesia. All I know is that your pancreas is mine.